Don't scroll. This isn't just another reminder floating through your feed. It's something your heart was meant to hear, right now. Because lately, you've been feeling unseen. You've been trying, praying, fighting silent battles that no one claps for. You smile through storms no one knows you're in. But hear this, Allah sees you. He saw you when you wiped your tears before anyone could notice. He saw you when you held your tongue instead of responding in anger. He saw you when you gave, even when you had little. Nothing you've done in sincerity has ever gone unseen. Sometimes when your life feels paused, when du'as feel unanswered, you wonder if you're forgotten. But Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, your Lord is not unaware of what you do." Surah Hud 11:12. Every silent sabr, every hidden struggle, they're all recorded with the angels. Every time you chose patience over despair, you planted something beautiful in the unseen. You're not being ignored. You're being prepared. What feels delayed isn't denial. It's Allah arranging the perfect time. So tonight, before you sleep, whisper, "Ya Allah, I know you see me. Even when I feel invisible to the world, you never left me unseen." Let that sink in. You are not forgotten. The same Lord who raised the sun again after the darkest night will raise your heart again, softer, stronger, and closer to Him. Sleep peacefully, because the one who never sleeps is watching over you.